Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? Y'all already know who it is. Hey, so if you're new to the channel, just sit back and watch. But if you're a regular on the channel, you know you gotta do the intro on me. You feel me? It's MET. Bring your arms up, bro. X all row. Hey man, today, like I said, this is gonna be a little simple little video. You just I guess just talking about my mindset. And just what led up to me to get here, like the consistency, the work that I put in, the things that made me want to get here, the things that pushed me to get here. So it is gonna be a quick little video, just describing all that, just I guess I don't know, just me talking about stuff and just motivational, I guess you could say. So yeah, man. I was finna say something else. I really don't remember what the fuck I was finna say. Oh yeah. Like I said, I told y'all I'm really trying to get consistent with these YouTube videos. So I'm just forcing myself to make videos and not make bullshit videos today. So we're gonna be playing Marvel Rivals in the background today. Like I said, this is never really just focused on games or nothing like that. It's just cool to just be vibing and just playing the game, just chilling, chopping it up, you feel me? So like I said, don't focus on the gameplay. I'm not good at this shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. So all the gamers don't. I'm not good at the game, you feel me? Well, I'm not good at this game, you feel me? So we on this motherfucking Marvel Rivals, you feel me? So like I said, bro, like, what I'm saying, I try to switch it up with, different games each video, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying I'm gonna just keep, every time I talk about this shit, it's really, obviously, like, once it start getting warmer outside, we're gonna start doing more outside content, but, I'm an anemic ass nigga, so, oh shit, my dumb ass, he's through the fucking wall, you dumbass. Like, for now, bro, this is just, hey, bro, this is just what we got to work with. Hey, oh, shit. So, you're gonna say, I'm gonna just be vibing, bro. Just gonna be doing this content until it start getting warmer. Then once it start, tripping, stuttering like a bitch. But, yeah, until it start getting warmer and shit, we just gonna be vibing, on the game. So, yeah, this video, really, I just wanted to come over here and talk about, me getting my biggest payout. Like, the day I get the payout, I get the payout next week, but as of right now, it's Sunday, so I can't really request it right now. They will let you request it on Sundays. So, yeah, bro. I'm gonna just talk about, like, what led me to get up to this level, what pushed me to get up to this level, like, what made me want to lock in and, get disciplined, focused. I'm not gonna give you too many reasons, because like I said, bro, it's you know what I'm saying, some of the reasons are real personal, I ain't gonna lie. So I feel like not everything needs to be on the internet. So yeah, I'm gonna just give y'all a couple reasons, my mindset, motivational shit, some typical shit. All right. Now, first things first, like I said, I guess one of the biggest reasons I wanted to, do good at Forex and get that potential payout is, number one, bro, I didn't grow up with a lot of shit. I'm not gonna sit up here and say we had it the worst, but when you grow up in the hood and shit, everybody is basically in the same situation. I'm not gonna lie. Like, everybody, they all go through their personal problems. They all go through their shit. They can't have everything they want. Christmas is, they decent, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't get everything you want. You get a couple things, but you know what I'm saying? Just shit like that. I'm not gonna try to sit up here and make it sound treacherous as hell. Hey, bro, like, a lot of people in the same position. It ain't nothing, 1 to 2 pairs of shoes a year, like, hey, bro, like, I ain't never complained about this shit. But, you like, when you a kid, you was like, oh, okay, I mean, I wish I could have them new, Jordans that nigga got, you feel me? Shit like that. But, as a kid, like I said, I wasn't really focused on shoes. I didn't really give a fuck about shoes and clothes and all that shit. So, hey, as long as I got my couple, like, 1 or 2 games, I was cool, what I'm saying? I wasn't a kid that felt like he had to need everything or felt like he had to have this or had to have that, bro. Like I understood from a young age that, the position we was in, the things that we couldn't have, the things that we could have. And, hey, as long as we had, whatever we needed, the type of shit that, hey, I was cool with. I wouldn't, like I said, I wasn't a needy kid. Like, I don't know. I've been like that since a kid. Like, like I said, I never gave a fuck about clothes, never gave a fuck about shoes. As long as my shit was, decent, no holes in it, I mean, some shit, you feel me? But, for the most part, as long as my shit was, wearable and didn't look too crazy, what I'm saying, I was good. So, Yeah, growing up as a kid, you know, I did have like family members. Like they didn't live like near us. They lived around like 25 minutes near us, not near us, away from us. And you know, they had better things. They had, you know, bigger houses. You know, they were just more financially set than us. And you know, every time I went over their crib, I'd be like, yo, like damn, this lifestyle nice as hell. You know, they going bowling just casually on a weekday. You know what I'm saying? For us, that's like a once every 2 months type of thing. Probably not even 2 months. You feel me? So, you know, it feel more special to us. You know, because it's something that we don't do. And like when they just, you know, be like, hey, y'all trying to just go bowling, then y'all trying to go like to a baseball game. I'm like, what? Like, damn, you feel me? Like living like that shit inspiration. Like I said, I would never bash my parents for the way that we came up, because I know they actually did their best. You feel me? And they did their absolute best to give us whatever we had. And I promise you, bro, like I'm 100% grateful. I wouldn't change a single thing, bro. Like it's really, really hard to raise a family, bro. Like you can't, like, even though if you don't have everything you want, bro, your parents not giving you everything you want, bro, just be thankful, bro. Because I promise you, you're not gonna know how hard it is to raise a family until you get there, bro. Like your family, you know what I'm saying, your parents, they sacrifice a lot of shit. You may not see it, but I promise you, bro, like they really love you. Like, bro, if they try to at least get you some of the stuff you want, and you know that they're not in a position like, oh shit, I'm surprised they even got me that, bro. Just be thankful for it, and just like tell them you love them, bro. Like real shit. Like I done seen a lot of people not have certain things. You know, sometimes I wish I had certain things they had, and some people wish certain things I had. You know what I'm saying? And you know, like just being in that type of environment where you know a lot of people ain't got a lot, bro. Like all, like you really start to realize like family is really all you need, bro. Like real shit. You don't need all the newest shoes, the newest clothes. You don't need to take the most expensive vacations. You know, just have your family. You know, make them little times with y'all family, bro. Just make them. Hey, bro, enjoy them little times with your family. I promise you, gang. Like that shit is way more. It's way more important than money, bro. I promise you. Cause once your parents and your family gone, and without your family, bro, life just ain't it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like I'm not saying I got to that point, but I just know for a fact, like this money shit is just paper, bro. It can be easily ripped, and like, bro, this shit ain't nothing. You feel me? So like just like coming up and shit really made me want to go get it. I ain't gonna lie. At like a young age, like, you know, I was always trying to go get money. You feel me? Like I always wanted money. I was never the type to, you know, just go sit around and just expect money to come to me, or, you know, if I don't get money, I don't get money. You feel me? I wasn't that type of nigga. Like I go cut grass, shovel snow, rake leaves. You feel me? I was always outside trying to do some shit. You feel me? Like I always had that money mentality. Like I'm talking about, bro, I was in middle school doing that shit. Like a lot of motherfuckers, middle school, they rather be in the crib, you know, in the game, all that, you know, all that type of shit. Bro, I was trying to get bread, bro. Like, you know, I like having the things that I want, you know, but sometimes in life you just can't control. You just got to do without it. You feel me? So that's really just the way I came up. The way, you know, just the way I came up, bro. You know, the way I seen people to live, like being able to live life the way I knew. If you had a certain amount of money, the way you could live life, you know. So, like I said, bro, I don't bash my parents at all. I would never bash my parents. Like, that's just some corny shit, bro. Like, them niggas did the best they could. I'm calling niggas like my mama's a nigga. My fault, mom. Hope she don't see this shit. But yeah, even if you is watching this shit, I love you, mom. You know what I'm saying? Everything you did for me. Did for me and my sister and all that. You two pops. So, you know what I'm saying? I'll take everything y'all did. I respect it 100%. I'm grateful for it 100%. And just know, the rest of y'all life, I'm going to take care of y'all, though, for real. But another thing is, my mom, she got, like, I ain't gonna go too deep into her health problems and shit, but she do got health problems, and I eventually want to be able to support her. You know, anything she need, I'm able to support her. You know, get the things she need, diet wise. You know, just, you know, anything she needs for her, not just her lifestyle, but just her health and her well being. And like, you know, I just want to be able to be in a position to do that. And it's one of the reasons why I really took this trading shit so serious, bro. Because at the end of the day, bro, man, bro, like, trading can change your life. It can change other people's lives for the better. Sometimes if you don't know how to handle money, it can change it for the worse too. Like, we can't just sit up here and just talk about the bad. I mean, talk about the good. But, you know, this is a video just talking about, like, what pushed me, you know, just talking about shit like that. So, but like I said, bro, some people, They just can't withstand a lot of money. So I just pray I'm one of the people that can, you know. I'm not gonna sit up here and say, oh, I know I will, but because, you know, shit happen in life, you don't never know how life gonna turn out. But I just hope, you know, as I get these payouts consistently, start making more money, finding new streams of income, that I handle all this money well and just be smart with it and don't let it take off my life, you know. So because you never know what happened, bro. Like, I'm not like genuinely in heart, I know that that's not my intentions to, you know, do shady shit when I get the money and all that type of shit. But, you know, hey, bro, people get put in crazy ass situations and, you know, all that type of shit. So yeah, bro, like I said, just my mom health and, you know, just that type of shit. So another reason is just my little sister, bro. I got a little sister. You know, I ain't gonna say her age or nothing. You know, I don't feel like I just don't feel like it didn't matter. You know, I'm gonna just say my little sister. That's all the information people need. And yeah, bro, like when you got somebody that look up to you, bro, you know, like I took the route of dropping out of college, and you know, she's smart as hell. She way smarter than me. Like I gotta admit it, bro. Like she's just naturally smarter than me. Like I look at her report cards and progress reports and I'm like, damn, bro, how the fuck, like you're smart as hell, gang. Like you gotta put this shit to use, you know. And sometimes I feel like, you know, just because I dropped out of college, I feel like she don't want to go to college. I'd have had talks for her, you know. And like I said, I don't never bash college. I just want, like, if you gonna go to college, bro, just know what you want to go for, like, and actually research the shit before you sign up for the classes and all that other shit. So yeah, I'm doing it for her too, like showing you it's possible, like just in case she want to take that college route. I mean, if she, oh damn, what the fuck, you know, say just in case she want to take the non-college route, hey, bro, like, hey, you can do this shit. It's possible, like, you know, it's all possible, bro. Like, everybody got their different route, and you know, I just don't want her to drop out of college just because she see me drop out of college, just in case she, you know, because you never know, it might be a class that she want to take. And I don't want to influence any decisions, you know, about my life. And, you know, she try to live her life how I live mine. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody got their own path, but at the same time, if she really don't want to go to college and she knows what she wants to do, then I want to be able to give her a game and show her it's possible and be able to support her fully. Because, you know what I'm saying, I didn't really have nobody to support me. Not saying, you know, it's not a bad thing. And then, like I said, it just is what it is, bro. Some people are just dealt. Like I said, bro, like, I can't bash somebody for having better cars than me. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, some people or parents are able to give them $5,000. Hey, here you go, son. You know, go make the best of it. If you mess it up, I'll give you some more. Now, I didn't have that luxury of doing that, and it's okay. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it is what it is. I made the best out of my situation. Just because you don't have whatever you need at the start don't mean you can't get that shit. You know what I'm saying? It's always a way to go get that shit. A lot of people just willing to not do whatever it takes to go get that shit. You know, it might be fucked up, and it just might be like, damn, bro, I got to do all this extra shit when all he got to do is just one little thing, just go ask his parents and shit. It's like, hey, bro, hey, you can't get mad at other people's parents for, you know, hey, I mean, as a parent, that's what you're supposed to do. That's what you're supposed to want to do. And you know, not everybody fortunate that situations happen with, you know, parents where they not able to give their child, you know, the quote unquote the perfect life. And hey, bro, that's okay. You know, hey, bro, just be thankful for whatever you got, bro. Don't. I mean, you could wish you had more, but hey, bro, just make sure you always tell your parents that you thankful for whatever you got, bro. No matter, I promise you can make it, even if you don't have like whatever the next motherfucker have that you wish you had, bro. You can still make it, bro. I'm telling you, like, real shit. Like all you need is your brain. Like your brain can literally get you out of so many situations. It can put you in so many situations. You just gotta sit down, think about it, make a plan, execute it, bro. Like real shit. Like the brain is the most I feel like the brain is the most powerful tool on the earth. Like when money can't get you somewhere, your brain can get you somewhere. You know what I'm saying? So just learn how to use your brain, learn how to think for yourself, learn how to, you know, move around, how to, okay, I'm in this situation. All right, you know what I'm saying? Don't just sit there and just pity and, hey, bro, just look, hey, bro, just go try to go get that shit. You know, so even if it don't work, bro, just still try to go get that shit. Like it's okay if, you know what I'm saying, if you fail, it's okay. At least you tried, you feel me? A lot of motherfuckers in your position probably wouldn't even try because I'm gonna fail, so I'm not even gonna try. Just because you fail don't mean you still can't learn something, you feel me? Hey, bro, I'm telling you, bro, I done learned way more lessons losing than I have winning. I promise you. So all them losing and putting yourself out there, getting your feet wet, bro, it'll build you up for when that time that you're ready to be able to get put in that position come, you're gonna be like, oh shit, You know what I'm saying? This ain't my first time trying this shit. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else was scared to fail, but me, I was failing, and hey, I wasn't winning, but at the same time, I was learning shit. You know what I'm saying? I might not got that medal yet, but I got, you know, experience of being, you know, like in the championship game. Just you went to the championship multiple times, you ain't walk out with no ring, but you still got like a couple years of championship experience. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? The other team, this might be their first time in the championship, so in a way, you technically got more experience in them, so you know how to handle things, you know how to, you know, hold your composure, you know how to control the momentum, shit like that. So yeah, man, just, I don't know, I was just all over in this video, just giving y'all tips and shit. I like, in these videos, I just like to I don't even like to just write shit down. I just like to just, hey, whatever come to mind, bro, come to mind, I just give it to y'all. Pause. Whoa, hold on. No, vibe out. But, yeah, but like, I love giving game. I love yapping. I love talking. It's just a part of who I am. You know, so I always like, you know, chopping it up with people, you know, all that type of shit. So, hey, man, hopefully y'all found, you know, hopefully y'all got a little bit of knowledge, you know, advice out this video, and hopefully I just was able to help somebody. You know what I'm saying? I'm not looking forward to help everybody in this single video, but if I can at least help one person, you know what I'm saying, that watch this, hey, I'm cool with it, you feel me? So, hey, man, I'm finna get ready to get up out of here. I'm finna definitely leave the fuck out this game, because I'm not finna play this shit off camera, I ain't gonna lie. But as soon as I leave this game, I'm gone. Hey, bro. Hey, just keep your head high. Just play the cards that you was dealt with, playing smart, and just make shit happen, bro. You got it, bro. Just stay locked in and believe, keep God close, and hey, man, just keep making the way.